Hi there. Welcome to Learn English with Shivani. Today's video is about used to and would, commonly used in the English language. They are used in a number of ways. Today, I'm going to tell you how they are used to talk about the past. Let's take the expression used to. How do we pronounce it? The word used is pronounced with a Z and a D sound. But when we say used to, then it doesn't have the Z or the D sound. It's pronounced with an unvoiced S or S, which merges with to without any D sound. So we have used to. Used to with D and used to without D are pronounced in the same way. They are pronounced as used to. The expression used to is used to talk about past habits or actions or activities that took place frequently and do not happen now. For example, when he was in Mumbai, he used to work for an NGO. When he was in Mumbai, he used to work for an NGO. Let's take another example. When they were kids, they used to go for swimming. When they were kids, they used to go for swimming. These sentences tell us about something that used to happen earlier, quite frequently, but do not happen anymore. We can also use used to tell about a state or something that was true in the past but has changed now. Something that was true in the past but has changed now. For example, she used to live in Mumbai before shifting to Bangalore. She used to live in Mumbai before shifting to Bangalore. When I was young, I used to love chicken, but now I've become a vegetarian. Remember, live and love are stative verbs. They are not action verbs. They don't show any action. Remember, used to is used to talk about the past. It's not used to talk about the present or the future. It's only used to talk about the past. Now let's see how negative sentences are formed. We can form negatives by adding did not. Since we talk about the past, we don't use do not or does not. With did not, we don't use used to with a D. The auxiliary did is already in the past. So there's no need to add or change use to used with a D. For example, when he was in Mumbai, he didn't used to work for an NGO. When he was in Mumbai, he didn't used to work for an NGO. When I was young, I didn't used to like chicken. When I was young, I didn't used to like chicken. Instead of did not, we can also use never. For example, when I was young, I never used to like chicken. When I was young, I never used to like chicken. Never sounds better than didn't and is more common. As you see, by using used to, we tell about something that happened repeatedly or frequently in the past and has stopped happening now. It can be other way around as well. It can also be something that did not happen in the past but has started happening now, like some new habit you might have developed that was not there in the past. Till now, all the examples that we discussed had the structure subject plus used to or didn't used to plus infinitive. And you must have noticed that used to functioned as a modal verb. Now let's find out how the modal would is used. The modal would is used. Here are some examples. When we were young, we used to chat for hours on phone. When we were young, we used to chat for hours on phone. Now look at this this sentence. When we were young, we would chat for hours on phone. Just notice the nostalgic tone. It talks about a past habit with time reference. When we were young, we would chat for hours on phone. When we were kids, we used to love cartoon films. When we were kids, we used to love cartoon films. Now, can we replace used to with would? Let's check. When we were kids, we would love cartoon films. When we were kids, we would love cartoon films. Love is a stative verb. Remember, we don't use would with a stative verb. Would is used with only action verbs. Let's take another example. My sister would be very naughty when she was a kid. My sister would be very naughty when she was a kid. Again, this is wrong. Be is a stative verb, so we can't use would. It should be, my sister used to be very naughty when she was a kid. So remember the use of used to and would. If you're confused and not sure whether to use used to or would, I would suggest use used to. It's much safer. There's another thing that you must keep in mind. Don't use used to or would to talk about something that happened only once. That happened only once. For example, last year we went to Delhi to spend our winter vacations. Last year we went to Delhi to spend our winter vacations. Here, used to or would be incorrect. Here, you must use simple past tense. So please remember this. Hope you found the lesson useful. Please like, share and comment. I'll be back soon. Till then, take care. Bye.